Why not?
I'll give you 3 reasons. 1.
But I promised Libby I would vote for her, and Cindy Guinness gave me $1.
Which one?
You wouldn't know it! Try me, I'll
Pin went in me too. Okay, I'll vote for you, Sheen. Me, Sheen. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, 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 clap. Slap, slap.
You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. Your next stop, the Twilight Zone.